force, create load, okay, let's make it concentrated load, okay. It needs to be applied from step 1. Mechanical concentrated force, continue. It's asking us to select a point. We'll select this free end, done. Okay, here CF1 is standing for, or it corresponding to x-axis. CF2, it's where we can apply force vertically on y-axis. We will choose this one, negative 100 Newton. Negative is downward. Okay. Now the force has been applied. After that, we have everything done with load. We have to go to mesh. From mesh, let's select part. In the beginning, if you remember, in the beginning of everything we had from the part place, we had given cantilever beam to our part. Then we will click on seed part. Okay, then let's go to assembly. We will click on seed part. Let's make the size of mesh 0.1. okay, then we will click okay, seeding definition complete, done. Then we will come to here, mesh part instance. Okay, to measure the part instance, yes, it's okay. Okay, now it's done. After mesh, now everything is done. We have already designed the model. We have given material properties. We have fixed it. We have applied force. We have meshed it. We will go to job. Job is dismiss. Okay. Job is where we are going to include this model for analyzing. We will click on create job. We will give a name beam job. Continue. We will leave everything blank. Okay. Right now we will go to job manager. Now beam job is the, let's say, it's the dossier that we have prepared for analyzing. Then we will click on submit. We have to submit it. It means we are going to give this dossier or this beam to be analyzed. Running, it means the analysis is going to be executed, implemented. And again, downward we can see what's going on. Whatever we click, whatever we do is going to be recorded here. Okay, it's completed. It means everything is done. We will go to results. Okay, now we will click on this plot contours and deformed shape. It's von Mises. We will choose U displacement. From here we click on U2 y-axis. Okay, if we focus here, the displacement of this portion or this point of the cantilever point where 100 Newton force has been applied downward is 1.946 to the power -5, or multiply 10 to the power -5 meter, and this value is matching the value that we have collected and recorded in the table of this report. Yeah, here before we had modeled and analyzed that 1D beam and we got this displacement, but the value is close to these values, 1.94, 1.93, 1.93, 1.94. Yeah. Okay, there's another way for showing the displacement of this point. Let's go click on this create XY data. We will choose ODB field output, continue. We will click on unique nodal. We come down, we click on U. From U spatial, we will only choose U2, displacement of y-axis. We will go to element nodes. Okay, we click on edit selection. Then we click this point. Then done. And now we have selected this node. Then we will click on plot. Dismiss. Here, this plot is showing the displacement of the free end of the beam. It's going to show and plot that how the free end of the beam is going to be deformed per this second of duration of time. And then we will go to XY data. We will click, okay, we will click this one. We will right click it, edit. If we see from Y column, it's giving the displacement of the free end of the beam. Yeah, this one is this value, or is the displacement of the cantilever beam vertically on the free end. Okay, finally everything is done. We have already modeled this cantilever beam that is shown here in the report. We have assigned the material property value are as they are. Right now we are going to save it. We will click here, file, save as. I'm going to save it in the same directory, ms Abaqus. I'm going to name it cantilever beam 1D in CAE forum. Okay, now it's everything is saved. I'm going to close this one. I will go to the directory where I have saved that file, ms Abaqus. Yeah, cantilever beam 1D CAE. I'm going to click on it. I'll wait for it till it's going to be open. Okay, the file is open finally. Here, okay, there's something else. Here, in order to model and analyze the cantilever beam, we used this list. But rather than using this list, we can use these icons too, or these lists too. It's all whatever are written here, they are the same as this list. Here we see model, part, material, section. It's the places, also same places where we can implement the same steps that we did from the beginning of the video. I will go to job. I'm gonna yeah, beam job completed. I will click and I will submit it. Okay, job has already exists for beam job. Okay, yeah, I wanted to be overwritten. It means I wanted to be analyzed again so that I can see the results. It's going to be running here. It's complete. We will right click it. We click on results. it's where we can see the results. We click on here, then we will choose displacement, we'll choose U2 for Y. Yeah, it's the result that we got it.